In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional intro using CapCut. This intro will help give your videos that polished, signature look and feel, and is a great addition to your content. We're going to walk through everything from setting up your project, adding essential elements, to exporting your finished intro. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up CapCut and start a new project. Select a 16:9 canvas, which is the standard aspect ratio for most online video platforms. This step ensures that your intro looks great on YouTube, Instagram, or wherever else you might be posting. Starting with the right canvas is crucial, as it sets the foundation for the rest of your edits. Next, it's time to personalize your intro by adding your channel logo, choosing a background, and incorporating text with your channel name. This is your chance to let your brand's personality shine through, so feel free to get creative. You might want to choose a background color or image that complements your logo and text. When adding text, pick a font that's easy to read and suits the tone of your channel, whether that's playful, professional, or somewhere in between. Now, to really make your elements pop, we'll add some animations. In CapCut, you have the option to use animations like slide in, pop, or glow. These options can add a dynamic touch to your intro. For example, the slide in animation is great for smoothly introducing your logo or text onto the screen, while glow can add a subtle, eye-catching effect. Play around with these animations to see which combination best captures your channel's vibe. Adding sound effects is another step that can elevate your intro. Consider incorporating sound effects like a whoosh or a click. These audio elements can give a satisfying feel to each transition and make your intro more engaging for viewers. CapCut offers a range of sound effects to choose from, so explore these options to find the perfect match for your visuals. Finally, once you've polished the visuals and audio to your satisfaction, it's time to export your intro. Aim for a clip length of about 5 to 10 seconds. This duration is long enough to make an impact, but short enough to keep your viewers' attention. Exporting this clip allows you to easily reuse it at the start of every new video you create, ensuring consistent branding across all your content. And there you have it, a professional-looking intro using CapCut in just a few simple steps. By taking the time to create an intro like this, you're helping to boost your channel's identity and make your videos instantly recognizable. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tips and tricks.